Colin?
Dude, where is he?
This is the beginning of a horror movie.
Colin?
Colin?
Alright, it's another midnight conversation with Maximus. I'm at work again, middle of the night, cleaning these ice cream machines. Today is, I don't know the date, and I don't know why I always feel the need to tell the date at the beginning of my videos, but I do. I guess because it's a log of my life, I guess. A vlog, I mean that's what it's called, isn't it? I like to track dates, times, events that I want to remember, stuff like that, so I can look back at it when I'm older and be like, wow, so that's what I was up to on September 22nd, 2022. I think today's the 22nd. Anyway, tomorrow, well, I guess later today since it's midnight, I am leaving New Jersey with my mom, and she's kidnapping me, and she's taking me on a camping trip in the middle of the woods. This time it's not glam camping. This time there is no house. I'm sleeping in a tent. Woo! It's like an ice bath. A really cold ice bath. So it turns out we're in the Pine Barrens in New Jersey, not actually in Pennsylvania. So right now we are on a 5-mile hike, Batstow Trail, right along Batstow Lake. Haven't seen the lake yet, but I looked at the map and there is a lake somewhere around here. I have been left behind because I was taking pictures and video, and now I'm alone, and the Jersey Devil might eat me, but you know what? That's okay. That is totally a badass way to die, and I'm totally cool with that. What am I saying? Alright, here it is. My tent of solitude. There's my mom's tent. Back there's my mom's friend's tent. This is my tent of solitude. Step in right here, and you'll see I have 2 beds to choose from. Bed number 1, or preferably bed number 2. And then, I guess this right here is the living room. If you want some privacy, Jersey Devil lives in the Pine Barrens, and my mom decides to take me camping in the Pine Barrens. Does that make any sense to you? I'm leaving tomorrow morning. Jump cut to tomorrow. That was said in every horror movie ever. It's a horrible idea. Why? Why are we splitting up? Why? You're not supposed to split up. Feels like we've been in here for hours. We made it to the exit, but then my mom dropped her flannel, so we had to come back in to this big ass corn maze. And now we're all split up. Mom, I heard you laughing. Where you at? This corn maze is so big, I don't know how you're gonna find it.
Yeah.
Found it! Now let's find the exit again. We have to go through the whole maze again. Thanks, Mom. And I found the exit. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Pretty good. It's raining. It's seriously raining. Well, this is something I never thought I would do.